People out there like David Marcus saying 2025 is when crypto winter is going to end. I'm here to tell you, if you watch this video, you might be on the same opinion as me, thinking it's going to end this year in 2023. Now, I do have data to back it up. It's only my opinion. Disclaimer, not financial advice, education purposes only. I'm doing it so I can try and help you understand that there is not a better time to get involved in crypto than right now. So let's get straight in. Now, guys, if you don't know who David Marcus is, start researching this man, okay? He actually came out on cointelegraph.com as well, where you can record it in December 31st, saying it will be another tough year for crypto in the wake of the FTX scandal. Okay, they're saying that crypto winter is not going to end this year. I disagree. Now, for Marcus, famous for his crypto role at Meta and before PayPal, bad actors have a lot to answer for. And their spectator will remain with the crypto industry beyond 2023. That's a fact, okay? Now, mentions FTX. He referenced what we call unscrupulous players, dragging out market underperformance even beyond next year. It's like a couple of years the market will recover from the observed unscrupulous players. These are things that he is saying. Okay, and for responsible regulation to come through, consumers trust, it's also going to take a few years to rebuild. I don't agree. I do think, and I'm going to show you a tweet from Rekt Capital on Bitcoin, that 2023 is the turning point for what we're going to see. Last year was terrible. Yes, there was a lot of scandals. FTX scandal was the biggest one we've ever seen. But 2023 has the data there to be that turning point. Let me show you this tweet. Here it is, guys. The tweet. Many think the FTX situation is worse than BTC. Remember, this is on Rekt Capital. All right, you can see it right there. Those around when MT Gox happened think MT Gox was the worst ever. Those around when BitMEX situation occurred think it was the worst in history. The worst times precede BTC bear market bottoms. Basically, what they're trying to say is every time you think this is the worst, Bitcoin comes back and we crush it. Okay, so 2023 is looking like another crushing period in the bull run for us. Now, guys, I want to refer you now over to investopedia.com. All right, you'll see this article. Links are going to be down below as always. But it's the interest in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency as an investment asset. It actually class emerged sometimes around the late 2016. Now, why I'm bringing that up is witnessed by the slow, steady price increase through the year of 2017 is when Bitcoin's price crossed $1,000. That was a big part of the crypto history. Now, media outlets covered the phenomenon and prices climbed throughout the year to peak nearly $17,000. Okay, again, you could read in all of this in here. Okay, and before settling down, the fluctuate between 3,000 and 10,000 happened quite a lot. The COVID-19 pandemic actually created a significant worry for investors who panicked because the business and economies were moving slow and shutting down. Now, by the time the index and economy had recovered to pre-pandemic levels, investors were convinced that Bitcoin was a new asset class that could be used to realize returns under some of the most austere market conditions. Many corporations had already begun to sink money into cryptocurrency, and Bitcoin's performance during the pandemic, okay, reinforced their position and outlooks. Bitcoin had made it more investing debut and attracted a large following of retail investors, intuitions, and enterprises. So it just shows you from the events what Bitcoin has done. You've got to remember, we're in a bad position right now from 2022, that's fine. But the events from when it started and where we've become through the pandemic, things like, I can promise you the pandemic event was a lot worse in the markets than what's been happening recently. Okay, and they still have grown and grown and grown. We're still at a higher point than we were back from when this started. Okay, in 2017, when it actually crossed the $1,000 mark, that was a big moment, and that was $1,000. We got up to $60,000+ at one point. Okay, so do not be fooled by thinking this won't start creeping up very, very soon. I want you to do some research in the articles that we actually put down below, okay, and tell me your opinion. Now, there's lots of data to say why 2023 is the year for this to start going on. You got influencers like Bitcoin Boy, things like that, and actually saying at the end of this year, this could be the biggest bull run that we've seen. So definitely make your own decision. I'm not a financial advisor, but let me know if you like this video. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you next time.